Hello, everyone. Welcome to RCM Online College. This is a purely virtual institution that offers CPA, ACCA, Advanced Excel, and Data Analytics. So today, we want to look at something little about grading. So when I went to the office today, I found my colleague doing this. I found my colleague doing this. I found my colleague struggling to make these things work. So this one here is automatically out of order. Let's do this. Let's use this different method. Just activate your cell, say vlookup. Take the vlookup value, which is the grade. Table array is the grade table here, fully $referenced or fully locked. Then we need it to return to us the letter grade. So that is column index number 2, comma, and we need exact match. We need exact match. So when I close my bracket, then automatically I'm able to get the grades without taking a lot of time. So that is what we do. By use of vlookup, you will be able to get the grades without looking at them one by one. So you are getting all these shortcuts from RCM Online College. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the CPA, ACCA, Advanced Excel, and Data Analytics, please contact us via 07 19 525,000. Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to meeting you in our classes.